Alright everybody, ring the alarm. The kings, SHINee, the kings of K-pop are finally back and I am so excited.
I'm saying I don't wanna come down from your love. We'll get lost together, let me find. Don't ever let me come down from your love. From your love, from your love.
Hey guys, it's Bree here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I am so excited right now because SHINee is one of the groups that got me into K-pop many moons ago. We're not going to talk about how long ago, but many moons ago, and they are finally back. If you follow SHINee, you probably know that Onew, Minho, and Key have all done their military service and they're out. So they are finally together again, and they did like a live concert last night. I think it was called The Ringtone. I didn't watch it, but I see that some of the clips from it are uploaded on YouTube, so I decided to react to their performance of Good Evening. Good Evening is one of my favorite songs by them. When I just hear it, it kind of gets me a little bit emotional because I have been a Shawo for a long time. I just think it's a really emotional song, especially after, you know, Junghyun's passing and everything. So I'm so excited to see their performance for this. You guys know I stan all of them, but I especially love Taemin. You guys know that, so I'm really excited to see their performance. Let's just get right into it. I know it's gonna be awesome because they are the kings. But anyway, if you're a Shawo like me or a multi-fandom K-pop stan, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can join the multi-fandom family here. Also, ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Thumbs up this video, and now let's get right into it. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're all wearing suits. Key looks great. Taemin! Okay, so Key has like the little K-pop mullet. Go Taemin! Yes, Minho. Come through, Key. They sound great. Oh no! Love this song. Go Taemin! Oh my god, I miss them so much. You better work, Minho. I love the little chair choreo they do for this song. Hey. Break it down, Onew. You already know. Taemin looks so good. Like, kings. Tell him, Key. Oh, this is making me emotional. Hey. Hey, I love that part. You better get it. The Kings. Wow. They're back, y'all. They are finally back. Alright, so I'm honestly kind of speechless right now, but that performance was amazing. I just love Good Evening so much. It's such a good song. It always gets me in my feelings just because of everything that happened with SHINee as a group. You guys know. It's such a good song. I love the way they perform it. And SHINee to me really are the Kings. Like I said, they're one of the groups that got me into K-pop. Their music is just so good. It's so consistent and they've been through so much. It's also been amazing just watching them grow as a group because I got into them years ago and I'm around the same age as Taemin. So I've seen them grow as people and endure as a group, and I'll always, even though I stand a lot of groups, I'll always have like a special connection to SHINee and their music just because I've been following them for so long and I have so much respect for all of the members. They just really give me that king energy. They're so different than a lot of other K-pop groups I feel that are out there. They also have like a very mature sound. Good Evening is good because it has that R&B feel. I think they sampled a song from 112, which was a African-American R&B boy band. I don't remember the name of the song. I think it's called Give It a Try. So when SHINee first released Good Evening, it already gave me a nostalgic feeling already because of that sample. And it just really has that SM R&B sound that I just absolutely love. It's just such a good song, and it's just a feel-good song that also gets you in your feelings. I feel like if you're a Shawol, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let me just say, they all looked amazing. Onew will always be like so adorable to me. Like, I know he's the leader, but when I see him, I see a baby. Even though I know Taemin's the maknae. He looked great. Taemin looked amazing. You guys already know I love Taemin. He was serving. I really like the little mullet he has going on. You guys already know. Minho is fine. We already know Minho is fine. He brought his energy too. I missed this group. Watching this performance made me realize how much I've missed SHINee during their hiatus. And I'm so happy that they're back. Apparently, their official comeback is going to be in February of 2021, so I'm really excited to see that and watch the other performances from this concert by myself so I can like fully fangirl and not scare you guys. But if you want me to do any other SHINee reactions in the future or any content that's out now that you want me to react to, Shawols, you know what to do. Leave all of your reaction suggestions in the comments and I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please make sure to support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, ringing the notification bell, and liking. Tell me in the comments, how excited are you for SHINee's comeback? Do you stand SHINee? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!